Welcome to DFix, your platform for practical Excel solutions. In our previous video, we explored calculated fields and learned how to quickly calculate sales, costs, profits and commissions using a pivot table. If you missed it, we recommend watching that video first for a clear understanding. In this video, we'll build on that foundation by introducing timelines in Excel. Timelines combined with calculated fields can transform your data into dynamic, time-based reports with just a few clicks. It's a powerful and practical way to generate insightful reports, saving you time and effort. Let's jump right in and explore how you can set up and use timelines to simplify complex data analysis. Stay tuned for these valuable tips. Let's start by adding a visual element to our pivot table. Click anywhere inside the pivot table, then go to the Analyze tab and select your preferred chart type. For this example, choose a donut chart, click OK, and customize the chart style using the brush icon on the right. Select a style with a sleek black background and your chart is ready. Next, we'll add some interactive tools. Click on the pivot table and in the pivot table fields pane, drag the field product to the filter area. You'll notice a filter button appears at the top left corner of your sheet for product selection. Now let's add a slicer for even easier navigation. Go to the Analyze tab, click Insert Slicer, select Product from the list and click OK. A slicer will appear on your sheet, allowing you to filter data with a single click. Finally, let's bring in the timeline. From the Analyze tab, select Insert Timeline. In the Timeline window, choose the Time field and click OK. The timeline appears, giving you the ability to filter data dynamically by sliding through specific time periods. Now everything is set. Adjust the timeline slider and see how your reports and chart update instantly. Use the slicer to filter by product and watch the results change effortlessly. With this combination of timelines and slicers, you can create interactive time-based reports that are both powerful and easy to use. Let's make data analysis smoother and more impactful. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial on timeline and slicer helpful, don't forget to give it a like, share it with others, and subscribe to DFix for more practical Excel tips. See you in the next video.